Alright, in this series of problems, we are going to be factoring binomials. And let's just write up an easy binomial. How about x squared minus 25? So bi meaning 2, so there's two terms here. And I can actually rewrite this as x squared minus 5 squared. Okay, so this is the difference of two squares. And you notice that 5 squared obviously is 25. So this is what you got to remember. We're going to factor this. We're going to write an x. Okay, and write another x here. You're going to write a 5, another 5, except this one's going to be minus, and this one is going to be plus. And when we multiply this out, we should get x squared minus 25. Okay? In other words, x times x is x squared, x times 5 is 5x, then minus 5x. Well, obviously those two are going to cancel out. If you have a 5x minus a 5x, that's going to cancel out. Then you have a negative 5 times a positive 5 gives us a negative 25. Okay, so this has been factored. Let's look at another example. Let's say I have y squared, this time minus 121. So I'm going to rewrite this as y squared minus, what are two numbers that you can multiply together at the same number that gives you 121? Well, that would be 11 squared. 11 times 11 is 121. So once again, we have the difference of two squares. So this is y minus 11 times y plus 11. So that has now been factored. Alright, z squared minus 64. So this can be rewritten as z squared minus 8 squared. Whoa, that's not a square. There. 8 squared. So this becomes z minus 8 times z plus 8. Alright. Oops. I always forget to do something there. There's a reason that pops up. 4x squared minus 25y squared. So this one will be a little bit more tricky. So I'll write 2x, right, quantity squared. So this would be 2 squared is 4, and then x squared minus 5y squared. 5 squared is 25, and then that would just be y squared. Alright, now what we're going to want to do is do the same thing as we did previously. Just take this, you're going to write 2x minus 5y times 2x plus 5y, and that's as far as we can go on that. Alright, what about 36z squared minus 49b squared? So I'm going to write this as 6z quantity squared minus 7b quantity squared, and now this would be 6z minus 7b and 6z plus 7b. Alright, and of course you can always test this out by multiplying this, these two polynomials together here. This would be considered to be a polynomial, and this term here is a polynomial, or even a binomial. And if you were to multiply this stuff out, you should get back what we started with.